DaDivas, welcome back to another wig install video. This time I have an Afro Kinky Glueless 13x4 lace frontal wig. It's 180 density. It is beautiful, so natural, comes with a middle parting, and it has baby hairs pre-plucked already. Yes, I absolutely love it. Look at that, so natural, so nice, so soft. I think this will be one of my favorites. Here's how the cap looks. The usual thing, has a detachable adjustable band already in the back, and it has all the combs in the back and the bands in the back, like wigs normally do. The lace isn't super transparent, but with this type of kinky wig, that is absolutely fine. I love this. I love it so much. Can't wait to put it on, guys. Yeah. And this is from Temu, and it's costing £65.77. It's real hair, 100% human hair. So nice. I'm in love with it. I'm actually excited, guys. Hold on, I think I'm gonna do a thumbnail. Yes, there we go. Yes, guys, so look at this. Look, honestly, it looks so good. So let's get to putting this on. Let's try this on. Let's see how it looks. I'm excited. So there you have it, guys. Look at that. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. It feels super nice, guys, super snug. Oh, who's gonna tell me this isn't mine? This is mine, after me. Oh yeah, love it. Yeah, shake it out. Let me show you the back, guys. Look at that. Yeah. And I believe this is 14 inches. Temu sell it by the centimeters. I believe this is 14 inches. Could be a 16. But if you like it, guys, just look in my description. I will leave the link. Follow the link and order through my Temu code. Yes, very nice. Order through my Temu code, guys, and you'll be able to get discounts. And if it's your first time downloading the Temu app, you will get 30% discount off anything you order using my Temu code, what I will also leave in the description. Listen, this is my favorite wig, guys. I absolutely love it. Another thumbnail. Love it. Love it. My favorite. This is my favorite. This has gone top of the list. I think it really suits me. It's super cute. Until next time, the diva is out.